Hey, Sonny here. Today I want to show you that I got this new vacuum cleaner. It's a handheld, only weighs 1.4 pounds, very powerful vacuum cleaner that I use for cat litter and dirt and dust on the table. So this is the Shark Wandvac vacuum cleaner, and I want to show you this video because I want to point it out that when I first ordered this, I ordered model WV201, and the vendor sent me WV200 instead. The difference is that WV200 is very basic. You see that in this box right here, the extension, the extra parts for it, you can put in the base, store in the base. This only applies to model WV201. When I got the WV200, the base has no place for you to store those extra parts, and that was disappointing. So I had to return it and got this and upgraded to get the right model, which is WV201. So I'm gonna open the box and show you how it's all packed in, and take it out, and we're gonna go through it together. So once you pull the box out, pull the cardboard out of this box, and this is what we have here. You got the main vacuum cleaner. So this is the main vacuum cleaner, and Sally's on my box. Come on, Sally. And then I have the extra part underneath this extension, and then you can that's also a brush with it. You can pull this part out. Okay, on this side we have the base, which is attached to the power supply to the base. So there you go. Sally wants to help. And then obviously you cannot sit on this part, right? Sit on the floor without the extra base, which is the next part right here. You take this part out. That's the base for it. And what you do is that you slide this thing on the base, and then you have to put the and under the base you can wrap around your electrical wire from here all the way out here, and comes out this way. And I'll do that now and show it to you. Okay, so I slide the base together, and then notice that this base, like I say, has two compartments in the back. You can store your extra parts, your brushes, and your extension parts. And then the electrical wires will come out here. You can push down here. It's really easy to do. It just comes out this way. So that way your base can sit flush on the floor or on the table. And here's Harry. They're both very curious about my vacuum cleaner. They want to help. This is Harry and this is Sally. So, and the last piece is right here. It's the pet hair vacuum extension part. All right. So what you do is that this piece is going to go right here, and then this piece is going to go right here. So we got the station, both parts on there. And then the main vacuum cleaner is going to go right here, like that. Once you plug it in, it'll start charging. This light will light up and flash just a little bit. If it's completely charged, it'll be solid on that thing. So it's a very nice looking vacuum cleaner. It's very light. So I already charged it, so I want to show you. So once you pick it up, all you do is just push this button, start vacuuming, and then you just you can plug the extension in front. It's pretty easy to do. And then to empty it, you just take this over a trash can. There's a little slide button right here. You slide it. It's going to open this pop up, and it's going to let out all the trash. And then inside this part here, to clean the filter, you just like slide this part out. That's this little slide. It tells you what to do right here. You slide it out, and then you pull this out. You can wash this and clean it. And here's the filter inside. What you do, you can take the filter out, clean it, wash it, let it dry for 24 hours if it's dirty. Let's do all this dry first before you put it back in. And then you just put it back in. And this is how it goes right back in there. Upside down like that. Push it back in. Close it up. So that's it. This is the model WV201 Shark Wandvac model. It's good to clean up the litter that this 3 cats, that's Kylo. This 3 cats make a mess on the floor with the litter, and just easy to use to clean it up, and also clean the cat hair off the blankets and couch and all that stuff. So, hey, guys, Sally. Hey, buddy. Say bye.